Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start the motors, show you how to start and stop the motors. So what you do to start the motors is on the stick, you're going to bring both sticks at the same time down and out to the diagonal direction. So you put them down and you'll notice that the engine's started. And then to stop it, you just do the same, but you're going to have to probably hold them a little bit longer till the motor stops. So same thing, down and out until the propellers stop. So once again, to start, and then to stop, down and out. Okay, so the other thing to notice is we're talking about GPSs. I don't know if you can see that on the video or not, but you want to have at least 6 GPSs on each. So on the top is purple, that's for the drone, and it says X4 GPS, and on the bottom is green, and it's the remote GPS. So I think we have 12 GPS for the drone and 8 GPS for the remote. So we should be good to take off in flight. So we're just going to do a little bit of flight. So we're going to start the motors. And then, of course, to do the takeoff, you throttle up. I'm going to step back a little bit. You throttle up on the remote. And it'll take off. And once the GPS is hold, it should stay there. So again, so then on the remote, again, so on the remote, we talked about the left stick to rotate. So I'm going to push it one way and then the drone will rotate. So I rotate it left. It's actually rotating the drone's left. I push the stick right. It's rotating to the drone's right. Of course, throttle up is higher, throttle down is lower. And again, the big thing to keep in mind is the perspective of the drone. So you always want to keep in mind the drone's head, which is where the cockpit is. So if we want to go forward, we're going to go press up, and that moves the drone forward. Back or down, stick down, moves the drone back. To the right, goes to the drone's right. Left, it'll bank to the drone's left. So it's all about perspective of in the remote where you want to go. So if you want to stop, you just kind of throttle down to get down to close to the ground, and then cut off the motors, and the drone will land. So when in doubt, call Cliff and ask. Drone out.